Let's make Pan Negosyo iced coffee, iced caramel macchiato, and iced mocha latte. 16 ounces cup. Caramel drizzle syrup. Vanilla syrup. Caramel syrup. Milk. Stir well. Ice. Drizzle caramel on the sides of the cup. Pour in cold brew coffee. Cover. Iced caramel macchiato done. 16 ounces cup. Chocolate syrup. Loving our iced coffee recipes? Please like and subscribe for more guides. Cold brew coffee. Sugar syrup. Stir well. Want to start your own iced coffee business? Avail our iced coffee business guide. Check description box below for more details. Ice. Milk. Add more ice. Cover. Iced mocha latte done. The exact list of ingredients are available at our iced coffee business guide. Get your access now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.